All right, if you've stuck with us this long, we're about to enter phase 2. Now, phase 2 is bolting the rear end, the complete rear end that we just built, into the Bronco. And we're using Wild Horse's Extreme Duty U-bolt kit. Extreme Duty U-bolt kit features this large plate with rounded edges. The rounded edges go against the leaf so the leaf can flex up and down, not get a nice little sharp point to break the leaf. That goes right up here on top. Feed the U-bolt underneath, a couple of big heavy-duty washers, and then our U-bolt nuts. If you got a Bronco, you're going to be doing some trails. You've got some good flexible leaf springs like Wild Horses. You need some heavy-duty U-bolts and plates. The stock half-inch stuff is just, it never cut it even original. According to the all-important instruction sheet, and I highly recommend these sheets for the different products that they come with because there's always tips and secrets in here. Tighten U-bolts in order shown, torque to spec completely in order shown. Check U-bolts for tightness after 100 miles. Maybe after 500 miles, maybe after 1,000 miles if you're a rock crawler. Maybe check them after every hardcore rock crawling trail run because stuff just gets loose off-road. For our 5H U-bolts, our finishing torque is going to be 125 foot-pounds. So I'm just going to tighten them without the torque wrench first in an X pattern. And I'm going to go evenly.
"12 seconds later."
Okay, I think we'll switch to torque wrench. Now we're going to make a few passes. I'm just going to start at 70 for no reason, just because that's where I want to start. Okay, let's crank this dude up. Let's go 100 for round 2. First one, second, third, fourth. Now we'll wrap it up with 125. There we go. One more check. There you have it, Extreme Duty U-bolts bolting the rear end into the classic Ford Bronco. Let me go back and torque the other side. That's basically it for attaching this rear end under the Bronco. It's a U-bolt kit. So with all that being said, we'll see you out there on the trail. Peace.